about to jump for real? Hey guys, hey Ashmarad. So it's my birthday. Well, it's not my birthday yet, but my birthday is tomorrow. Today is July 5th, and I'm currently on a cruise. Can y'all see that? Look at my background. It's my birthday! Cancer gang gang. So I'm just gonna show you guys a room tour. Like we just got in the room and your girl is hungry, so I'm about to go up, explore the ship. I'm just going to show you guys what the ship looks like. Carnival Liberty. So I'm going to show y'all what the ship looks like. I'm going to take you guys with me, but first I want to show you my room. So when you first walk in, you know what I'm saying, you got a bathroom right here, you know, 5-star, nothing special. So you got a shower right there. Y'all, I've been on 2 other cruises, and this is like the biggest room that I've had so far. So don't mind all the stuff. Like, just got in and, you know, had to get dressed real quick. But you can see I got a sofa over there, bed, and then y'all see the outfit of the day, Fashion Nova fit. But anyway, you can see TV. There is a refrigerator in here. And it's a lot of space for a cabin, you guys. Like, it's honestly like the size of a standard hotel room. You got a safe right there, vanity where I have all my makeup, and like I said, I got ocean view. I wanted an interior cabin, but all of them was sold out. So you can see we are moving, and y'all, we going to the Bahamas. So yeah, right now we in the middle of nowhere. Cheers to the birthday, bitch.
Let me show you how to do it. I'll teach your vlog how to do something new. This is how we pour wine in France, you feel me? Real presidential. Gotta make sure you twist it when you stop it.
Okay.
Grab your cup. You gotta swirl, you gotta smell it.
It stinks.
That shit stink. Alright, man.
I'm all confused. And it's nasty.
That shit ain't that bad.
What are you drinking, man?
Hennessy. We drinking Hennessy.
Yeah, I had to change the outfit real fast. Like, pew. We about to go play mini golf, y'all. They got mini golf, basketball court, all of that. Let's see what else is on board. So it's windy as hell, guys, but about to do a little bit of mini golfing. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can really see. Mini golf, little sunlight, little sunlight. We're walking into the casino, y'all. How big is this? Babe, come here. That shit $50. That's like a bottle of Hennessy. That's huge. It's my birthday, y'all. Happy birthday to me. You about to jump for real? Oh! For real? Oh, shit! I think you was up! This nigga really jumped! Man! He said it's not okay, this nigga tripping, I ain't thinking. Listen, look, they about to have a heart attack. Where he at? Oh, he over there, man, look. Oh my god, he right there! Oh my god! You guys, look at all this. Listen,
We gotta clean the water.
this water is so crystal clear. Y'all see all the stingrays? Listen now, but we ain't doing all that 'cause that's how Steve Irwin died, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Oh no.
We are in the Bahamas. Me and Bae. It's really hot, but hey, Bae.
Black as hell out here.
Listen, this sun is something serious. It's my birthday, you guys. And I'm getting a Bahama Mama thanks to Bae. We are at the Sugar Cane Bar on, well, we in the Bahamas. I don't know what island we on, but it's beautiful. If you can see, everything out there is so lit, you guys. Guys, I've been so horrible at vlogging on this trip. It is the last day on the boat, and I ain't got to drive it. Stop. It's my last day on the boat, and basically just gonna hit the club and take you guys with me.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Guys, so I'm back in the room right now. We went to the club. It's like 3 in the morning, but yeah, we're back in the room. I couldn't really record in the club because y'all know how YouTube is about their copyright. Yeah, I couldn't really record in the club because y'all know how YouTube is about their copyright, but I'm going to say that I met some bomb ass people. If y'all watching this vlog, hey, what's up? I should have told everybody to look me up on YouTube to watch this video, because I mean, I didn't even get the people in the vlog. You know, I don't know how people feel about being on camera, but I had an amazing time. My birthday was litty because one time for the birthday beat, 2 times. Everybody knows that that's my anthem on this boat. The whole boat knows me and Bae. Y'all know we can't go nowhere without without putting on a show. You know what I'm saying? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? But I don't know. I'm gonna come back on here in the morning. Once me and Bae get up, we're gonna go to breakfast. We have to pack because look at this room. Like, no lie, we have stuff everywhere. Where? You know, it's ridiculous. We gotta pack, we'll have breakfast, and then head back home. So anyways, guys, yeah, like I said, it's like 3 in the morning, so I really need to take my ass to bed so we can get up for breakfast in the morning. I just want to go to sleep. I'm so tired. Good night, Marad.